Hey all, welcome to the 12th session of the private equity. Today we'll discuss how does a private equity fund terminate or what happen when private fund get closed or PE fund get closed. So ever wonder what happen when private equity fund close? Is just a game over or not? Is just a plan exit or not? After 10 12 year, most PE funds shut down by selling off the asset and distributing the profit among the investor and wrapping up the legal and the financial formalities. If you think go well, LP get a big return. If not, some fund extend, restructure, or worst case maybe liquidate and book the loss or profit accordingly what status we have of the fund. So PE fund terminate after the asset liquidation and profit distribution. Why it's matter? Final step in the PE fund for the life cycle. So most of the PE fund run for the 10 to 12 year at max. Example: a 10-year PE fund sale is last investment and return capital to the LP, the end of the fund and start of the new investment. So most of the PE fund close their fund and open the new fund to realize their gain and profit and loss and book some profit on that and invest what they have earned like 50% 60% and start a new fund. So this how the private equity fund cycle will work. So want to know more about how PE fund works and hit the follow and stay tuned with this channel. We'll meet you on the next part. Thank you so much for watching.